Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum, Marhaban, Sabah Khair, Anyhow, David, Diane, Mustika. Dear students, today we are going to view the use of W's in speeches. Speeches means direct speech and indirect speech. These both speeches play an important role in day-to-day communication. Today we will make a practice with short and important sentences used in direct speech and indirect speech, and we'll see the changes of verbs, pronouns, and particular words while making these changes from direct speech into indirect speech. Let's start today's lesson. डायरेक्ट स्पीच और इनडायरेक्ट स्पीच बराह रास्त गुफ्तगू और बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू के बारे में बातचीत करेंगे और इनसे जुड़े हुए अहम जुमलों को देखेंगे और उनको चेंज करने के प्रोनाउंस, वर्ब और खास अल्फाज की तब्दीली को भी देखेंगे और इन्हें बोलने की मुनासिब एक्सेंट के साथ इन्हें बोलने की भरपूर प्रैक्टिस करते हैं। आइए आज के सबक का आगाज करते हैं। Hey you are my students. The first you see that direct speech. He said, comma inverted comma start. When are they leaving? He said, comma inverted comma start. When are they leaving? Comma close interrogative sign. You see that this is a question. Question. When are they leaving? Inside the commas you see. When are they leaving? This is a question and starts with a W word when, and is in present tense, and outer part of this sentence he said is in past tense. So this is a direct speech. प्रायरास्त गुफ्तगू जो है ये commas पे होती है. Direct speech is always in commas. As you see here, he said comma inverted comma start. When are they leaving? उसने पूछा, उसने कहा वो कब रवाना हो रहे हैं. कॉमर्स क्लोज इंटरोगेटिव साइन. उसने पूछा वो कब रवाना हो रहे हैं. He said when are they leaving? As you see my students, the first part is in past tense. He said, and inside the commas you see when are they leaving in the present tense. When are they leaving present continuous tense. वो कब रवाना हो रहे हैं. Let's see how it's going to change to direct speech. आइए देखते हैं बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू में इसकी चेंज कैसे होगी. You see indirect speech here. He asked, will you please said by asked. We can write said as well, but to beautify the statement, I add asked instead of said. He asked. When we go to the commas are removed. By rules we remove the commas, and when will stand as it is. So you see here, he asked when. Now they is the third person pronoun. By rules it will stand as it is. When they were leaving, and you see air is the present form and we have the outer part in the past. That's why we will change the verb form into the past to equal the sentences. He asked when they were leaving. He asked when they were leaving. He asked when they were leaving. उसने पूछा वो कब रवाना हो रहे थे. You see my students, indirect speech बिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू में we write he asked, we change said, we replace said by asked to beautify the statement. Proceeding to the commas, by rules I will remove the commas and when will stand as it is, and the interrogative sentence will change to positive affirmative. By rules we change the interrogative sentence into positive affirmative form. That's why you see here when they were leaving, they will stand as it is, because according to the rules third person pronoun he, they will stand as it is inside the comma. So they stand as it is. Whereas you see air is a present form. By rules he asked when they were leaving, he asked when they were leaving, उसने पूछा वो कब रवाना हो रहे थे। A beautiful statement. Let's move to the next statement. आइए अगले जुमले की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। You see here next one is that speech. She said, comma inverted comma start. Who is this guy? Who's this guy? Comma close interrogative sign. She said, उसने कहा, comma inverted comma start. Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Comma close interrogative sign. Who's this guy? ये लड़का कौन है? He said, उसने कहा, ये लड़का कौन है? You see my students, again you see that he said is in the past and inside the commas you see the present, simple present. Who's this guy? Who's this guy? Who is this guy? Who's this guy? ये लड़का कौन है? Commas close interrogative sign. Let's see how it's going to change. आइए देखते हैं इनकी change कैसे होगी तो वास्तव में शुरू में you see my students in that speech here. She asked again we put ask we write asked instead of said. She asked who. Approaching to the commas, who will stand as it is by rule. All the W words will stand as they are by we may change from direct speech into indirect speech. So who will stand as it is, who, and this is a word, particular word that we change it into that. So this is replaced by that as the rules say. क्वाइट के तहत जो क्वाइट दिए गए हैं डायरेक्ट स्पीच को इंडायरेक्ट में बदलने में, उनके तहत हमने दिस को रिप्लेस किया दैट से और हु विल स्टैंड एज इट इज एंड गाय वैस इज verb form will change to the past, that is was. So a beautiful statement again. She asked, उससे पूछा who that guy was, वो लड़का कौन था. She asked who that guy was, उसने पूछा वो लड़का कौन था. She asked who that guy was. Full stop. Again you see my students. She asked that is replaced by asked to beautify the statement. Approaching to the commas, we remove the commas and who will stand as it is. क्वाइट के तहत who को ऐसे ही लिखा जाएगा as the rules say, and then we proceed next after writing who. This will change to that by rules, and is for the verb form is in a present, it will change to the past because also part of the statement is in a past. By rules we make these changes. Is replaced by was, and this changes to that. So he asked who that boy was. उसको he asked who that boy was. उसने पूछा कि वो लड़का कौन था. Again an affirmative positive statement. According to the rules, we have to make a positive statement. That's why we make a positive statement. We change the interrogative sentence to positive. Let's move to the next one. Next you see my students, back speech again. Paragraph को देखिए. Tim said to me. A beautiful statement. Tim said to me. Object is there. Me. Tim said to me. Tim ने मुझसे कहा. Tim said to me. First part, comma, inverted comma start. Why are you sad? Comma, close interrogative sign. Tim said to me, comma, inverted comma start. Why are you sad? Comma, close interrogative sign. Tim said to me, why are you sad? Tim ने मुझसे कहा, तुम उदास क्यों हो? Tim said to me, Tim ने मुझसे पूछा, Tim ने मुझसे कहा, why are you sad? आप उदास क्यों हो? आप गमगीन क्यों हो? तुम उदास क्यों हो? Why are you sad? Why are you sad? Tim said to me, comma, inverted comma sad. Why are you sad? Comma, close interrogative sign. Okay, students, my students, you see that first part is in the past tense and immediate part is in the present tense. Why are you sad? तुम उदास क्यों हो? Comma, close interrogative sign. Let's see how it's going to change. आइए देखते हैं ये दिलवास्ता गुफ्तगू में इंटरेक्ट में कैसे चेंज होता है. You see my students again. Tim asked me. We replace that again as. Tim asked me. Tim ने मुझसे पूछा. After ask, there is no need of preposition, so we will move to. Tim asked me. Tim asked me. Tim ने मुझसे पूछा approaching to the commas. Again, you see by rules, we remove the commas and W words will stand as they are. So Y is here, it stands as it is. So why I was sad. You see again, here the change of pronoun. So you is the second person pronoun. My students, be careful. You is the second person pronoun. It must be changed by outer object, that is me. So you is replaced by me, and we require its subjective form, that is I. That's why I is there. So always memorize inside the commas. If you have you second person, it must be replaced by outer object. As the object is me, and its subjective form is I, so we will write I. Why I was sad. Had is a present tense and its past is was. So why I was sad. According to rules, according to verbs, had should be replaced by were, but we have a singular file subject. We have a singular subject. That's why we will write here was. So why I was sad. Why I was sad. मैं उदास क्यों था. उसने मुझसे पूछा मैं उदास क्यों था. उसने मुझसे पूछा मैं गमगीन क्यों था. You see my students, all these beautiful statements with the W's in speeches, text speech and indirect speech, and their changes we have seen here. I hope you will make a good practice with this. I wish you all the best. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.